Hey, my lovely warriors. Today we're playing White Noise. Anyways.
Let's carry on. I take it back. The regular flashlight's a lot better.
Yeah, sorry that you can't see the screen. It's pretty...
Not well.
Yes, not well at all. Oh. But I'm sure you will be able to tell when the guy pops up by screaming and cussing and pissing yourselves.
I know someone will.
I know you will. Anyways, White Noise is pretty much like Slender. You have to find 8 tapes, and you're in the woods, and you have like a flashlight, and there's this guy stalking you. Don't look at him. Yeah, you found one.
And let the fun begin.
So happy.
Should I tell him the main story?
Sure.
Wow, instantly!
Yes.
Never mind, run the other way. And what? Oh fuck. The White Noise. It's about 2 cameramen doing paranormal activity. Well, one looks kind of like a woman. I don't know why I looked at you when I said that. But one went out to set up some recorders. But later, the guy you play as, which no one knows, goes out and is very worried about his friend, Krieger. And he goes out to search for the 8 recorders that his best friend has laid out around this yard. And it seems like it's been broken off and it's haunted by a strange creature.
Yes. It has no penis.
Or nipples.
Or nipples.
Anyways, it's Slender's twin brother.
He
That
kind of has a face.
well, he has the mouth part.
Yeah.
Word of advice: don't stop.
Yes.
Oh, nope, no.
Baby. Yeah. Baby.
What?
Baby.
Serpentine. Serpentine. Where'd he go? Why
Don't look for him.
Adventure.
Silly goose.
There should be one around here because I remember there's a ways. Oh.
Sorry, that painting kind of scared me.
Huh?
You don't know my life.
I wish there was a sensitivity.
I wish there was a mute button for your feet. You're just kidding. I love you.
Yeah, it's called your lips.
I got that. He's saying that I would kiss him.
Got it. Where the fuck is it?
Giving you a face massage.
Please tell me it's right here. Oh! Thank you, Smiley.
Thank you, Smiley. Oh, Smiley is this thing that you get after you found so many tapes. It's like a flashlight, but it has a smiley face on it.
It's a bit brighter than the original flashlight.
And it's yellow, like smiley faces are meant to be.
And I think there's 4 modes, but each one depends on how many recorders. You get, what is it? Oh, nighttime vision, hard mode, aluminum batteries, and smiley face. So far, we got night vision and hard mode and smiley face.
Give you.
I don't know how many I have left. Wait, how many? Never mind. I have 2 tape recorders, right?
I think so.
I'm still gonna wish. Oh! Hey, shit! Yeah! Don't look him in the eyes. Don't look him in the eyes.
I just thought you'd look at it.
And now he's gone. Where is he? I mean, where's the tape? Hey! Nope, nope. Where the hell is it? Oh yeah, and there's ghosts in here.
Yes, and like they're supposed to be your friends, but sometimes they scare the shit out of you.
The best way to see them is if you turn off your camera.
I can explain this to you. To me.
Where the hell is it?
Don't say hell.
Alright, where the heck is it?
What the hell?
Hey!
What?
Wait. Really?
It's right there, baby.
I think it's fun. This mine is like, alright, I'm gonna help you, retard. It's right here. It's like, thank you. Alright, rocking the no.
Oh my god, I hate your not smelling.
And yet, I'm still running for the hills. Run for the hills. Doo, doo, doo.
The sky is pretty though.
It's just one screenshot taken. Whoa. That's good. Gosh.
Okay. I almost freaked out. I just dropped my iPod.
Okay.
Ow. The hell was that
I
for?
was trying to hug you, but no, you freaked out. Nice fishy face. Ooh.
Yeah, nice.
Thought I heard one. Level friend zone. People are gonna think we're friends.
Yeah, because friends always.
God. Really? Oh shit! Found him.
Friends always kiss each other.
Friends with benefits.
That was a movie. We're in a movie. I like movies. You tell you about face friend. He's a little party person. I don't know the rest of that song.
Me too. Oh shit.
I have a long way.
No. Still behind me? Nope. And that asshole teleport. I wish there was batteries you could find that like refills it. Asshole's teleporting more than often now. It's not good.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
What? Ooh, water.
This guy runs like a fat kid in PE, like in 3rd grade, you know? That little chubby kid that you had in your PE class. Like, because he takes 4 steps and he's like, starts hyperventilating.
Whoa.
What?
Oh, where's the song? Oh, I heard that. There it is. Smiley. Well, isn't this how far I made it last time?
Yes.
Shit. If I get like one more, I break the world record.
Well, not the world record.
Okay, our record. Play that record, baby.
Because you are my world, so
Yes. What
that's
was
all
that?
that matters. Next, water.
No. Listen.
Oh, he's breathing down your neck.
Oh yeah, I remember because I was running all the way around, saying he's breathing on my neck. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm big, but I probably would jump that fence if I saw something like that. I'd be like, out, I'm out, peace out. I'm kind of scared. I'm actually kind of scared to actually turn around. I'm not gonna do it because everyone does it, like, because everyone's like, hey, he's right behind me, and they're like,
That's because you've been to prison, baby.
like you.
I've never been to prison.
It's prison, not present.
It's prison.
And everything got dark.
Don't make fun of my lish.
Please.
My lish.
Please. Toilet. Whoever likes Homestuck's gonna get that joke. Baby?
What?
Flashlight.
Oh, your flashlight is dying.
Worse. Oh, baby.
It's like dead.
Well. This is gonna suck because now my battery's dead.
Oh god, laid back.
I wonder what the aluminum batteries are like.
And yes, I'm taller than him.
Yes.
For all of you.
Atlas and Peabody.
are wondering.
Where am I?
I'm like
Oh, really? That's why. I was up against the wall.
I'm almost 6 feet. He is
5'8".
5'8".
So, wait, 6 what?
I'm almost 6 feet.
So you're about 200 taller than I am. Yeah. Oh, that grills are high. I leveled. Well, call upon the fathers from our heaven skies.
Is that Uranus?
I see what you did. Oh god, man. You can't even see the smiley. What can we tell? Oh, road. I can hardly tell. Just follow the white line. I mean yellow. Follow the yellow line. What's that? So I went in one big circle. It's like you have to be up and face it to be like
Hey baby, go to your wall.
this.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
left.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want. See, that's why. See, see.
I like to get him raped.
Was that a ghost? It's gonna be great when you're like the videos where she's not gonna be in it. You're gonna see clips of me rage quit.
You're saying it's gonna be great when I'm not in the video?
No, like, what's that? No, like, you know, rage quit. Oh shit!
What?
Look at the flashlight. Like, fuck it. Is it mirrors or actually coming back to life?
It's going back to life.
Holy shit.
Smiley is immortal.
Smiley! And I'm running for the hills. I'm not gonna lie, if someone was out there and they said that,
I'm not gonna lie, if I saw a ghost, following it would not be my first option.
to actually chase it. What's that? I'm not gonna lie, if I saw a ghost like that, I would run the opposite way. I'm not even kidding. Damn it, Smiley. I feel like I'm... Whoop. That is a tree. Stay still behind me. Quick 360. Nope. And that is a rock.
Okay.
Okay. How about the aluminum batteries? Like, either take longer or they never die. What time is it there?
7:17.
Okay, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, this is taking forever to find 4 more. Oh yeah, this is not a small map either. This is a big ass map.
Yes.
Unlike oh, starting to come back. Unlike Slender, where oh, found it. Nope, 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 nope. Run the other way. Run the. Whoa, hold on.
What?
Oh, like the stuff up here. Green light.
Baby.
I mean, red light. I mean, fuck, green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Oh shit.
Baby.
What?
Stop digging around. Silly goose.
Oh. Is that one I hear? Where'd he go?
No.
Ah, God! Oh.
What?
Do you see how close he was? Fuck it. I think I cornered myself. Yep, I cornered myself. Shit. Yep. Where? I heard the Alright, don't look at him, 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 don't look at him. Ah, don't look at him.
And your, like, screen kinda gets all staggy, like...
What?
I have never seen that before.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god!
Well, I died.
You are dead. Thank you, Captain Obvious. I know that I'm dead. Tape recorder is found 4 out of 8 time. 14 minutes, 30 seconds.
So I guess we're recording a few seconds. Special modes. If we find 5 more, we can get the aluminum batteries.
Okay, well, I guess this one.
What?
It was actually enough for this video.
Alright. Even my computer shut off.
Goodbye, warriors.
See you in the next video. Peace.
TTYL.